Okay, I was gonna wait until 7:30, but I was like, forget all that. What's going on, you guys? Let me check to see. Go to my YouTube, make sure I can see my own live stream, make sure everything's going good. If you guys can hear me, well, let me know. Comment down if you guys are ready to make some money. Let's do it today. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Hopefully everyone's doing good. We had a great 2 weeks coming into the market already, and I want to kill it again, right? We are up on this $20 challenge, and I can show you guys the proof. Like I said, no sugarcoat, no facade. Comment down some fire emojis. Let's kill it, guys. Don't mind this. I put some money in, but that shouldn't affect the profit, obviously, if you make deposits, right? So we're looking at $634 in profit on this $20 challenge. Let's get a round of applause here, guys. To staying disciplined, to staying just looking for quality setups and absolutely killing the market. Hopefully, you guys are ready to make some money and let's just do it, guys. Let's kill it. Today's a good Monday, and I think we can make some more money again. Okay, so what are we looking at? If you're in the Telegram, you already saw. If you guys didn't see, go to the Telegram. A couple of different setups I was looking at, and look at that 7:30. This is why I like to wait till 7:30 because more volatility starts coming into the market, and we can see already that we got GJ is exploding towards his daily FEG. All right, crazy play there. Caught liquidity on both sides. That's volatile, guys. I'm not honestly. I'm not too interested in this one right here. Marked it out there. 1 hourly fair value gap. Marked it out there. Daily fair value gap. Now we're just bouncing. Crazy, crazy right there. That's one candle too. One candle is literally bouncing off of those two fair value gaps. Show you guys on the left hand side here. Right. Look over here, guys. Look at the what's going on, Slayer. What's good, bro? Let's try to make some money today, man. As you guys can see, there's that daily 50% of that daily fair value gap, and over here is that hourly fair value gap right there. You see, fair value gap there hourly, fair value gap there daily, and that's literally what we're seeing over here bouncing off of, right? Bouncing off the daily, bouncing off the hourly. Uh, Hourly is already taken 50%. Daily is basically already taken 50%. I just want to see where we're gonna go from this. And this is why I like to wait till 7:30, guys. 7:30 is always the best time for me to trade. Looks like we're breaking a little bit through this daily. Whoo! Whoo! Wow! Wow! Dangerous. Dangerous game there. Dangerous. Oh! Hopefully no one got in that. No, hopefully no one. Wow. Wow. Guys. Is anyone seeing this? Is anyone seeing this? Comment down below if you guys are seeing this. I can't be the only one. Crazy candle. Crazy candle. Was the reason why we did not get into that trade, guys, because it was literally bouncing off of the 21. It was bouncing below, bouncing above. We don't want to get into something like that. There was no way to know it was going to shoot up that much, right? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Insane push. Insane. I did say there is a lot of liquidity to the upside. We have the daily, right? We have the weekly. It could continue to push. There's so much liquidity to the upside there. Is there a news event? Am I missing something here, guys? Am I missing something? Let me know if I'm missing something, guys. This is a bank holiday. Okay, I'm not missing anything. Okay. EU is doing the exact same thing. GU, USD CAD, AJ, gold did nothing. I must be missing something here. AUD JPY took its daily. I mean, destroyed it. Wow. Anyone got any insight on what's going on? I mean, this is insane. Euro USD, all my alerts are going off now. Huh. Let me look at the dollar. Dollar completely just tanked. It cleared out the weekly low. It cleared out its obviously the daily low. What is going on, guys? And I mean, I don't think there's any exhaustion in this whatsoever. GJ, it just went off again. Oh, wow, guys. Looks like we're gonna start pushing again. EU, the dollar, like what is going on? Look at that, 89 pips just disintegrated. Nah, there's no way. I would not get into sales yet, guys. I would not do it, not yet. That was just clear, just no, I would wait. There could be another surge coming in at any moment here. USD CAD just cleared out all liquidity. I would wait, guys. I'd wait. That should create a 5-minute fair value gap, however. I don't think the buyers are done. With that kind of momentum, I wouldn't do it. Not yet. That is wow. And this is a bank holiday. Oh, bank holiday. I just don't trust it. I don't trust any of this. If it, obviously sells back down, great. I just don't trust you guys. Trade what you know. Don't trade just random price action. It's weird for that to happen with no news event. I'm double triple checking. I mean, because it wasn't just the euro; it was the dollar too. But the only news event we have is Trump, and that's only at 11. So for it to do something like that is insane. Now we see a complete reversal and everything. We're gonna be patient here, guys. Okay. Let me get my lot sizes ready to know what I need to use anyway. We're currently at about $145 on the account. After taking out safety nets and everything, which I went over in my previous video. If you guys have not seen that, check it out. So in between a 1.9 and 0.2, so we'll do like a 21 to meet in the middle there. So on EU, maybe like a 42. Gold really didn't do too much. I thought gold would do a little bit more. Gold was actually the one that kept neutral. I mean, it dumped, but it wasn't too crazy. Wow. Yeah, there's hella volatility. Excuse my French, but there's hella volatility today. It's bank holiday still will give you some moves, I guess. Someone out there, a big bank, a big corporation, literally just dumped the market, bought it, and now they're dumping. People were probably thinking, oh, we're gonna keep buying, right? I don't know what the fuck's going on. I'm gonna tell you straightforward. I do not know what the fuck is going on. So we are going to just we're gonna chill. We're gonna chill, bro. There's no like nah. A lot of traders start like speculating, like, oh, like this is happening. Nah, like if you don't know what the fuck's going on, just say you don't know what the fuck's going on. Because I have no idea. I'm gonna look at this and look at DXY. DXY over here, have G over here. This should have created a fair value gap. Well, not quite yet, I guess. Has anyone taken a trade yet, or is everyone just still waiting? Like EU hasn't even came down into its 4 hour fair value gap yet. USD CAD looks like it's making it somewhat of a retracement here. Oh, USD CAD, I did not notice had a daily right there. Okay. Well, that drop at least makes sense, I guess. If that was, I mean, it went way below that, but that would kind of make sense on why it dropped like that. But I can't take buys until we're above my 21 moving average regardless. So fat ass 5 minute. We're just being patient here, guys. Making sure everything's still going good. Okay, yep, we're still looking pretty good here. Yeah. So, guys, we still haven't taken any trades yet. I'm still trying to understand what happened here. Why was there a dump with no news event, bank holiday? So, just still waiting to take a setup here. I don't take sells if we're above my 21 EMA. If we're above my 20 EMA, I'm only looking for buys. If we're below it, I'm only looking for sells. So, staying disciplined there. Like I said earlier, if I don't know what the fuck is going on, I just don't trade, right? To me, I have no idea why at 7:30 exactly we had a huge push. Some traders will try to, I mean, like I said, they'll try to understand it, but you can simply just say you don't know. Like I said, I don't know. We did have a daily on GJ, which was his red line, and hourly. We were bouncing for a while, and then out of nowhere, 7:30 opened up, and boom, the push, right? So completely disregarded this daily for value, got the 50% of it, and we just took the fuck off. EU did the same thing. Only one that didn't do it was gold. Gold kind of stayed neutral, right? Something happened and it kind of stayed around this range, around this 200 EMA. But gold was the only one that stayed decently neutral. Everything else shot up. Like look at US CAD. Like, dude, EU went up 90 pips, 90 pips in one candle. 90. Come on, bro. There's no way for anyone to know that was gonna happen. There's no way. I don't care what anyone says. Call me a dumb trader or whatever, but there's no way to know that was gonna happen. Unless like you work in the big corporations, the big banks, right? Because you're the one that made that move. But as retail traders, prop firm traders, there's no way to know what's going to happen. Now, I want to see what we do when we get to the zone here again. Is it going to surge again and push past that point, or are we going to sell down? I mean, like, just look over. Where's liquidity, right? Let me go to an hourly. Let me see if I see something there, right? Where, right? Where's that zone at? I can draw this box out and see, okay, right? That's was in that point, right? I would understand that zone, right? Even up here, this zone here, right? That's not nothing to me. So we're gonna see, guys. We want to see what we're gonna do here. EU's pushing back up again. GU is. US CAD is selling again. Everything's kind of going back to where we started at. A nice little retracement. Yeah, we are going back up. Oh, NAS is even NAS moved. It's not even 8:30 yet. And what did US 30? US 30 did too. Wow. I only trade NAS and US 30 when I'm trading prop firms. I only really look at currency pairs, but we'll see. Now, it would be an incredible risky take to take a sell right at the very top of that. It'd be an incredible risky take. There is a massive 5 minute right here. We look for about 50% of this box, right? Doesn't have to be perfect. Something like there would be interesting, right? I would take buys if price comes right back down. It respects the 200 movement or the 21 EMA to then go back up. But it's also still risky for EU, just understanding, zooming out, that there is a 4 hour here as well. I don't see price stopping here when there's obvious liquidity resting right there. Okay. Let me see for GU. GU now has a 5 minute, doesn't have an hourly or anything, doesn't even have a 4 hour. Okay, so we want to see, guys. We want to watch. We want to see what is price going to do here. USD CAD. I cannot talk. USD CAD's coming right back down to that initial burst. They all are now. I can promise you, if we get back to the zone, it either rips past it, taking out stop losses, or it respects and shoots up higher. We never know. But I think they're gonna rip someone's stop losses right here, right now. If it does, if it goes past this zone, I think they're gonna rip past someone's stop losses. See what they do here, guys. We're getting closer to that zone where the initial, a little bit of a push happened on USD CAD. Let's see what they do here. Are we getting another pop, or is it gonna rip again? See if EU's doing the same thing. Yeah, they're all going back to that initial zone before the drop, and it was a slight drop. Let me get USD CAD chart window open. Hourly. Okay. Looks like we're somewhat rejecting. This candle closes in the next minute and 40 some seconds. So I want to see what it's going to do here, guys. Because, I mean, if you were to get into buys and it completely just retraces back up, that's a huge profit. Huge profit. Easy trade right there. But we do want to see what it's going to do here, right? I like to stick to my 21 EMAs, but this, I have to be honest, it's very tempting. Something like that, I would risk a very small amount of my trading account on that, just because that is risky. Minute left before this candle closes. So guys, if you are looking to take a trade, USD CAD, EU, EU's not quite at that zone yet. GU is getting to that zone again. GJ is not quite at that zone, but US CAD is currently at that zone before it made a nice little push up. I would wait for another surge. I'd wait for another little drop. Let them take out stop losses, then get in. Understand what the big banks are thinking. Wait for them to take out stop losses first. We have about 33 seconds in this candle. Let's see if they're gonna do it. Let's see if they're gonna get that surge. Got very, very close to the initial wick too. Look at that. Almost exactly. Just like barely. Last 13 seconds of this. What are we gonna do here, guys? Are we gonna drop it even lower, or 2, 1? Next candle just came out, and we're pushing lower. We're gonna get into US CAD buys, guys. I'm gonna take a little bit of a chance here. Let's see what I'd have to risk. I'm gonna use a 30. Yeah, 30 on this one. Huge risk though, guys. Huge risk. I wouldn't do it if you guys are very, scared, but it's a very risky trade. I want to see how this candle reacts though before I do anything, first off. But huge risk here, guys. This candle has no power in it whatsoever. So it tells me that sellers are still in the market. Okay, Euro got to about the zone. So did GU. Okay, like I said, we're gonna wait, guys. I need some indication that, okay, sellers are out, buyers are now in. Wait, guys, be patient, be patient. Let's look for a great entry here, guys. We want to see exhaustion from sellers. Yeah, because EU came back to that zone. GU is pushing crazy. I mean, GU, EU, all these looks pretty nice. Let me see. Maybe the weekly high. I'd say the weekly high for GU would be a nice liquidity level, right? That would be something, okay. Hit the weekly high, look for sales. Excuse me. Pardon me, actually. Now, we'll say the same thing for US CAD, right? Let's see if it hits its weekly. Okay, so the weekly low on CAD would be something like here, right? Get rid of this zone. We would need it to drop a little bit lower, take out liquidity on the weekly. It is a Monday, right? Take out the weekly, then shoot up higher. That could be a nice play right there, easily. If you want to get in early, obviously you could. Like, look at this. We got a little bit close, but not too close. Wait for the exact perfect entry, though.
Bro, imagine, yeah, I've been waiting all morning.
Oh yeah, bro. Hey, DBB, if you're watching, yeah, that spike was insane, dude. Literally on YouTube talking about it right now. Literally crazy. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into a very small position here. I'm gonna get into buys on USD CAD. Now, obviously, let me get my stop losses and everything ready for this, because if it does go back down to that weekly, that's fine. Uh, I'm not too worried about it as far as my account size and everything. Stop loss, let me see. Stop loss, that weekly low is about 1.4. Let me zoom out here. 43.034. Okay, so I have my stop loss at 42.935. Okay, so this is what we're looking at here as far as my trade. Okay, Move over a little bit. Going long. We were about here. Stop loss. Oh crap, my bad guys. Let me bring back up that weekly low, which was US CAD, yep. Hang on the 5 minute. Last week's weekly low was about here. Alright. Stop loss about, my stop loss is about right here. I have it at if I can redo this real quick. Because you don't want your stop loss at the weekly low, that's foolish, right? So you want a little bit lower than that. So I'm gonna do 42,873. 42,8, we'll do 853, right? 873, like I said. That's my stop loss. And then TP, I'm just looking for a nice retracement up to my 21 moving average. So this could be a crazy trade if we can get a full retracement on this, guys. Something like this, right? The dump and then a full reversal. Get rid of this. Understand that black line is the weekly low and just going up for a nice retracement, guys. Simple as that. There is a 5-minute FEG. I meant to mark it all over here, right? 5 minute, 50% of 5 minute fair value gap. Full retracement. Currently down $5, $6, as you guys can see. And once I get a decent amount of profit, I do move my stop loss to break even just to protect my account, okay? So we are just gonna hold this, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm actually gonna go to the bathroom. I went to the gym earlier this morning, so a lot of protein going on. So I'll be right back, guys. And yeah, if you guys are in this trade, just watch it, and I'll be watching it on my phone, obviously. So I will be, yeah, like I said, right back. All right, guys, we're back. Sorry about that. Okay, so one thing I do like, right? On the 1 minute, we are getting close to that 20 EMA. Obviously, I only do trade the 5 minute, so like I said, this line represents the daily low here, or weekly low. I keep saying daily for some reason. But we are still in buys holding this. Let's see, we're down currently $33. So we are down currently right now. Still gonna be holding this trade. I do think there's a possibility for a reversal. Just need to know when and if we can get that. Get rid of that. Yeah, Dukes Y still tanking. GU and well, GU already hit its weekly. So we're gonna see what GU's gonna start doing. Okay, we do have somewhat of a nice looking candle coming out right now. See what we do, guys. See what we do. Down 14, 10. I got in at more, we're about to see. 43, I want to say 43.3 maybe, or why am I even looking at that? 43.279. So let me draw a line so you guys know. 43.27. About right there. We got on at the black line right there. So, and my target for retracement, 5 minute for value, got 50%. There is another 5 minute. Oh, there's also a 15 minute, which is perfect for our objective here, right? And getting close to the 21 EMA. Come on. We should be in profit now. $2. There we go. Set an alarm for this right here. USD CAD TP. Oh, please, for the love of the heavens. So we're supposed to make, let me see. Excuse me. We're supposed to make $38 on this trade. My TP, however, is, I want to say it's 200, yeah, it's $202 if it fully gets to my TP. Having a nice push right now. Beautiful push. Beautiful push. Full retracement. Let me know who's in this. Who's in this, guys? Let me know. Already up $22. Beautiful trade right now. I honestly might end the live up and update you guys on my Instagram and Telegram. But if you guys got in, like I said, I'm moving my stop loss once we get above this level here, and I move to break even is wait for trading my TP. But I think I'm just gonna end the live here, guys. I'm not gonna see it. That is a huge retracement. It might take a couple hours, but I do believe we can get there. So hopefully you guys entered into this. I will keep you guys updated in my free Telegram. So yeah, or hit me up on Instagram. But you guys can see the trade. You guys will be able to see if I lost or if we won. But I don't really feel like sitting here for the next hour or so. I just came from the gym, so I do want to take a shower and everything else. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this live stream. Saw my entry once again. We are in USD CAD buys. Right now we are in a little bit of profit, about $16 on this $20 to $52,000 challenge. The account is at, well, my balance is $144 and we're up what, $5 now. It is making a little bit of a drop, but like I said, you guys will be able to know if this trade went well or if it didn't. But I will let you guys know in my free Telegram. If you guys want to know what that is, hit me up on Instagram. It is Aries Trades, and I will see you guys later.